Roby over at the Mike Roby Insurance Agency. Well, you can see behind me that I'm in a house that looks like it's been flooded. And this is a reminder, if you've been thinking about buying flood insurance, there's a 30-day waiting period. So don't delay. In about 30 days, we'll be right at the beginning of hurricane season. And you know, with those rains comes potential for flood. Your homeowner's insurance will not cover flood. So if you got some questions about flood insurance or you've been thinking about buying it, go ahead and give us a call. Our number is 409-899-1600. Even if you just have some questions or you want to get some prices, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. We'll talk to you soon.